I brought you this compact phone holder from the brand Nulaxy. It's compact in size like this, so you can hold it in your purse and in your bag, and you can carry it in the airplane as well. It's compact and you can open it like this, and it has a little lever from the back, so you can do this like that, and that's where it will
This is
clamp.
the box. This is the phone holder, the travel phone holder. This is the manual and the thank you note. And this is compact in size.
If you're an influencer with food creator and you want to create food and you want something that will point your phone down, you can do this, and you can also just rotate like that. You can do the cooking like that. And sturdy this is. Also, you can turn it into angles. And you don't have to worry for it to slip because it has silicone and it's anti-slippery. This way, which is very convenient and also very sturdy. Look how amazing this is. And you can turn it in many different angles. This. And down. The sturdiness is key. And you can just film, and it can be very, very sturdy in place. Basically, this is the lever. You can just push it all the way to open it and unhook it, and then you just can do like this, then push it and close it. What I really want you to see is like this is rotatable in every angle, like this and like this. So look, it's like that, and then you also can rotate it like this. Do you see this? And then you can also rotate it in every possible angle, and then you can just close it, and you have a compact holder that you can just put it even in your pocket here, in your top pocket, in your jacket, and you can carry it with you. Isn't that just convenient? Very convenient. You don't even need your handbag to put it inside of it, because this is super compact. This is the brand. It's amazing, and it's very, very sturdy. If you want to do a juicing video with this juicer, for example, we can hook it here on the juicer. Let's open the juicer, and we can hook it from the back here, and we can hook it in here on the back. Look how convenient. And then we can hook the phone on the back, and we can turn it however we want to turn it to take the shot like that. Isn't this very convenient?